Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Start by assembling ingredients so the cook flow is smooth. 2 cups sliced mushrooms, 1 medium onion, 2 carrots, and 2 stalks celery provide body and sweetness. Measure 4 cups vegetable stock and set aside with 1 tablespoon butter or oil for sautéing. Mince 2 cloves garlic and chop 1 tablespoon fresh parsley or 1 teaspoon dried herbs. Prepare 1/2 teaspoons salt and 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. Rinsing and slicing vegetables first saves about 8 to 10 minutes during active cooking and keeps flavors bright. Heat a heavy pot over medium-high heat and add 1 tablespoon butter or oil. When shimmering, add mushrooms and cook about 8 minutes until browned, stirring to release moisture. Add the chopped onion, carrots, and celery, sauté 4 more minutes until translucent, then stir in 2 minced garlic cloves for 1 minute. Pour in 4 cups vegetable stock, bring to a simmer, and let cook 15 minutes so flavors meld and vegetables soften. Blend the soup to your preferred texture with an immersion blender or in batches in a countertop blender. After blending, return the soup to low heat and taste. Adjust seasoning with 1/2 teaspoon salt and 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, adding more in 1/4 teaspoon increments as needed. For a creamy finish, stir in 1/4 cup heavy cream or 3 tablespoons plain yogurt. For a dairy-free version, use 1/4 cup canned coconut milk. Warm gently without boiling for 2 minutes. Then ladle into bowls and garnish with 1 tablespoon chopped parsley and a drizzle of olive oil. Store leftovers.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.